Tommy Trader here with you. Yes, we are. We have the FedEx. They reported quarterly earnings after the closing bell. They're down 7%. The stock dropped $28. Yes, it did. So we had told all our traders to buy the $275 puts. These are the options, and we got in at $3.50. We expect these to go up to $25 tomorrow. That is a home run and a Santa Claus trade for the Bears because we knew that from the previous quarters, the issues that FedEx had. Once again, Tommy Trader, Turbo Option Trading. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's a comments. On the comments, if you want to ask us questions, ask questions. We'll be happy to answer all of those questions. We had a wonderful rally, and the good earnings, if they would have beaten the earnings, they would have sold off anyway because the news was already priced in. Knowing when the news is priced in a stock when they're going to report quarterly earnings.